Welcome to Sevens Legal. I'm Kerry Steigerwalt and my partner Samantha Green. She and I have spent almost a decade building what we believe to be certainly the largest criminal law firm in San Diego, but certainly the most talented. We've had such an array of lawyers come to us wanting to work, and we've selected carefully those that we think uniquely and best fit our firm. If you talk about criminal law, you think a couple different things. You have felonies, you have misdemeanors, you have federal court, you have state court. Well, we've got lawyers to accommodate all of that. We have lawyers who've grown up in federal court, know all the federal court judges, know the prosecutors, know the procedures, the probation officers, all the important things to get a successful outcome in a criminal case. I want to introduce you briefly to the lawyers on our staff. In no particular order, you have my partner, who doesn't need much of an introduction. She's well acclaimed, probably the most recognizable female lawyer, criminal defense lawyer in San Diego. She's been practicing for many years as a criminal defense lawyer and then became a prosecutor for a period of time, thinking her aspirations were to become a judge. And now she's back in practicing criminal defense for the last 10 years, and she and I formed this firm. But she is just an incredibly skilled practitioner who gets consistently successful results. You have Alex Fuqua, another very senior lawyer, who there isn't a case that he can't handle. You give him a federal court case, he'll make the best of it. You give him a criminal case in San Diego criminal court, he'll turn out consistently great results. You have Crystal Erlander, who's maybe our go-to in federal court because she grew up in the federal court system. Although we have 3 other lawyers that love to go to federal court and take federal court cases, and all of whom are known to the judges, the prosecutors, the assistant U.S. attorneys, and the probation officers. There's a gentleman named Jay Monaco. Jay Monaco is our only Spanish-speaking lawyer, but is an incredibly tenacious litigator, as is Ari Lieberman. Ari came from the district attorney's office. Ari was a financial prosecutor who is really into details. So if you have a case that's highly technical and needs details, Ari Lieberman is your man. And then there's Kristen Friedman. Kristen is one of our most passionate but sympathetic and compassionate lawyers on our staff. If somebody is going through a really tough time and emotionally charged, Kristen's always there to calm them down. She's also somebody who went back to school after her college degree because she wanted to become a research attorney, compassionate about at first the environment and then people's rights. She's just a very, very skilled lawyer that's great in our team of lawyers. So I'm telling you that our staff, consisting also of an ex-Del Mar mayor who wants to do and only wants to do domestic violence restraining order cases because that's their compassion. Every one of the lawyers on our staff is here for a reason. They each have their own unique ability, professionalism they bring that makes them different and makes them succeed in the kind of cases that they handle. So with that, you ask, well, who's our typical client? Our typical client is somebody who never thought they'd be sitting on the other side of the desk of a criminal defense lawyer. Why? Because they're inherently good people. You know, something bad happened to them. Something bad happened at this particular time in their life where they need help, and they need to know how to get through the criminal justice system. We are so happy and so proud to represent individuals who find themselves for the first time ever in a situation they've never had to deal with before, because that's what we do. We'll get you through it. You will get through this. We will make sure you get through it with the least amount of impact the criminal justice system can impose. That's what we do. That's what our skill set is. Welcome to Sevens Legal.